All right, so we're going to take a look at the various parts of the argument essay throughout the next couple of days. So we're going to break down each part, starting with the introductory paragraph. So the introduction paragraph has 3 parts, and all 3 parts are in the first paragraph. So this is all part of one paragraph. So the first thing you need is a hook. The second thing is a summary, and then your last sentence is going to be your thesis statement. So your hook is going to be what grabs the reader's attention. So this should relate to the topic in some kind of way. Hooks can be bold statements, shocking facts, or quotes. Anything that's really going to make your reader want to continue reading. Then the next part is a summary. This is when we give just a brief summary of the topic that we are covering. It should obviously have something to do with your hook. From your hook, you're going to transition into your summary. We want our reader to understand what the topic is that we are covering, but we don't want to give everything away. It's really helpful to make sure that the reader is oriented with what they're about to read, so that they'll be on some kind of understanding, a good level leading into your body paragraphs. The last part of this paragraph is the thesis statement. And this is the part that is most important to the introductory paragraph. It contains your debatable claim, which is your opinion. And then it also covers the 3 pieces of evidence that you will be reviewing and going more in depth about in your body paragraphs. And we try to keep the thesis statement to just 1 sentence. So if we go to the next slide, we can take a look at an example. So let's just take a look. This is an example of a student introductory paragraph. Imagine trying to tame a plant that can grow up to 1 foot per day or even 60 feet per summer season. So that is hopefully what you've identified as the first part of your intro paragraph. This issue is not something that lives in people's imagination, but a plant that is most found in the eastern part of the United States. The kudzu vine is a plant that is considered a harmful invasive species. Humans should try to correct the problem of this invasive species because if the problem is not fixed, it will continue smothering trees and native plants, it will continue to spread, and it will greatly impact the biodiversity in national parks. All right, so we're going to take a moment and break down the parts of this paragraph. So while you're working, you're going to see that there are some options. So let's take a look at the first sentence. Imagine trying to tame a plant that can grow up to 1 foot per day or even 60 feet per summer season. What part of the intro paragraph is this? And then we can take a look at the second part here, the second sentence. This issue is not something that lives in people's imagination. You can see that the word imagination ties back to the first word imagine. But a plant that is mostly found in the eastern part of the United States, the kudzu vine is a plant that is considered, a harmful invasive species. And then the last sentence here, humans try to correct the problem of this invasive species. Because if the problem is not fixed, it will continue smothering trees and native plants, it will continue to spread, and it will greatly impact the biodiversity in national parks. So you're going to go through, answer the questions. Hopefully you got them right. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. But if you're following the 3-part introductory paragraph slide from before, you will have successfully come up with your introduction paragraph. So that's all that you need, just those 3 parts. So once you're done watching this and answering the questions, you can open up the argumentative essay outline and get started at the beginning with your introductory paragraph.